Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Bolabutty Wireless Bluetooth Speaker, an XGO, a C27C, any of the speakers that are made by Bolabutty, and you need to do a factory reset on it, clear all the pairing history and all of that stuff. You're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first is troubleshooting if this speaker is not connecting or not pairing with something, or if it's stuck paired to the wrong thing. If you're having issues where it's not working, anything like that can very often be fixed with a factory reset. The other reason is if you just want to get a fresh start by having it forget everything it was paired to and everything like that, so we can just start anew, we can go ahead and do that super easily. You just want to go on your phones or whatever devices you've had it paired with in the past, delete this speaker off those devices because we're going to be starting fresh. Once we do that, making sure this is not plugged into anything, it's not charging, we're just going to come in and press and hold the power button for 8 seconds. And after 8 seconds, we can release the power button. Now the speaker will now be reset, and now we can come back in and do a long 2-second hold on the power button again to turn the speaker on and go ahead and set it up like a brand new speaker. So if this worked for you, if you could leave me a like, I'd really appreciate it. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.